Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Rivers. Welcome to Lesson 91, Decoding Suffixes. Before we begin the lesson, make sure you have page 20 from your learning packet. It should say Cycle 18. To the left of the page, you should see the word list we will be using today. Also, make sure you have a blank piece of paper and a pencil. Our learning target for today is I can read CVCe words with S, ED, and ING endings. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I can read CVCe words with S, ED, and ING endings. Boys and girls, if you don't remember what the letters CVCe stand for, C is for consonant, V is for vowel, C is for consonant, and then we have silent E. If we look at the word race, we see that it has the CVCe pattern. To start, we will listen to some words to hear how they are similar and how they are different. Listen carefully. Bake, bakes, baking, baked. How are these words similar? How are they different? That's right. They all have the long A sound and they all have the word bake in them. They are different because the ending changes. Listen to these words again. Bake, bakes, baking, baked. What do you think these groups of letters represent? Great job. The ending of the words. These endings are called suffixes. All of the words I said have the base word bake in them, but they each have a different suffix. The suffixes change the meaning of the base word bake. Let's skywrite the word bake. Tap out the sounds using your thumb and fingers. B, A, K. What is the job of the E at the end of this word? You guessed it. Magic E tells the A to make the long sound. This word is bake. Can you think of a sentence with the word bake? This word is bakes. Can you think of a sentence with the word bakes? Here's one. My mom bakes me a cake for my birthday every year. Can you think of a sentence for the word baking? The cake is baking in the oven. This word is baked. Can you think of a sentence with the word baked? I baked chocolate cookies with my mom. Let's read the words together. Bake, bakes, baking, baked. Let's take another look at the suffix card. We have learned three suffixes, S, ing, and ed. Let's look at S. Which of the words on this list has the suffix S? If you said bakes, you are correct. It has the suffix X. What about ing? Good job. Baking has the suffix ing. What about ed? Very good. Baked has the suffix ed. Three suffixes have been added to the word bake. The suffix s makes the word bakes. The suffix ing makes the word baking. And the suffix ed makes the word baked. When we listened to each of these words, we heard the word bake in all of them. Let's underline each base word and see if bake is in all of them. What do you notice? When I look at the word bakes, I can clearly see that it has the base word bake. Let's move to this word. I see the suffix ing, but I would expect this to be back. But I know it's not back because back is spelled B-A-C-K. And backing doesn't make sense. What I can do is think of the base word, which is bake, and then I will know that this word is baking. But what if I don't know the base word? Well, what I would do, boys and girls, is I would imagine that there is an invisible magic E that tells the A to say A. And that would make this word baking. Let's move to the next word. Same problem. I can do the same thing. I can imagine that there's an invisible magic E that makes the letter A say the long sound. That would make the base word bake. And when you add ed, it would say baked. In previous lessons, we learned how to be syllable sleuths. Today, we are going to be sleuth again. Suffix sleuth, that is. Remember, a sleuth is like a detective. We are going to be like detectives to learn about how some suffixes make the magic E invisible. Let's take a look at our word list. Smile, smiles, smiling, and smiled. First thing we're going to do is identify the suffix and box it. Then we're going to underline the base word. Last, we will say the base word out loud. Let's look at the first word. Do you see a suffix? No, this word does not have a suffix. I do see magic E, and I know magic E tells the I to say its name. So this word is smile. Let's try another one. Let's box the suffix, and now we're going to underline the base word. This base word says smile. It looks just like the first word. Smile plus S equals smiles. Let's try the next one. Okay, I've boxed the suffix ing, and now I'm going to underline the base word. Smill. That doesn't make sense. But if I imagine that there's an invisible magical E that makes the I say the long sound, this word, or rather the base word, is smile. And smile plus ing equals smiling. Let's try another one. I've boxed the suffix ed, and now I'm going to underline the base word. Let's try it. Smill. That doesn't sound right. But boys and girls, let's remember that we can imagine an invisible E that makes the I say its name. That makes the base word smile. Smile plus ed equals smiled. Now it's your turn, boys and girls. It's your turn to be a sleuth. Not a syllable sleuth, but a suffix sleuth. What you have to do for each word is box the suffix, underline the base word, say the base word out loud, and see if you can read the word. Remember, if you read the word and it doesn't make sense, just try to imagine an invisible magic E that makes the vowel say its name. When you're done, take a picture and send it to your teacher. That's our lesson for today. Until next time, bye.